Question 1. Which of the following is not one of the functional foremen who sit in the planning room as suggested by F.W. Taylor? Option A. Route clerk. B. Instruction card clerk. C. Speed boss. D. None of the above. Answer of option C. Speed boss. Question 2. Who among the following thinkers rejected the principles of administration as myths and proverbs? Option A. L. D. White. B. W. F. Willoughby. C. Chester Bernard. D. Herbert Simon. Answer of option D. Herbert Simon. Question 3. Which among the following groups was against any kind of political or social change? आउथर प्रश्न कौचे which among the following groups was against any kind of political or social change? Option A. Conservatives. B. Liberals. C. Nationalists. D. Radicals. Answer of A. Conservatives. Question 4. The people who wanted to put an immediate end to the existing governments in Europe were called. Option A. Liberals. B. Revolutionaries. C. Radicals. D. Nationalists. Answer of B. Revolutionaries. Question 5. Who wanted to build cooperative community called New Harmony in India? Option A. Robert Wynne. B. Robert Owen. C. Robert Wade. D. Robert Lyon. Answer of B. Robert Owen. Question 6. Colonialism term is originated from the Latin word collier, which means. Option A. Conquer. B. To inhabit. C. Foreign rule. D. Rule. Answer of B. To inhabit. Question 7. Gandhi wrote Hind Swaraj in the year. Option A. 1907. B. 1908. C. 1909. D. 1919. Answer of option C. 1909. Question 8. Who among the following made a significant contribution to theories of the interaction between social dominance and state power in contemporary India? Option A. Myron Weiner. B. Partha Chatterjee. C. Partha Chatterjee. C. Layard and Sachin Rudolph. D. Francine R. Frankel and M.S.A. Rao. Answer of option D. Question 9. One can forget the death of one's father, but not the loss of patrimony. Who said this? Option A. Lenin. B. Hobbes. C. Machiavelli. D. Mao. Answer of option C. Machiavelli. Question 10. Who used first time the word Cold War? Option A. Bernard Baruch. B. Morgenthau. C. C.K. Webster. D. Karl Dodge. Answer of option A. Bernard Baruch. Question 11. Who among the following was the chairman of the Union Constitution Committee of the Constituent Assembly? Option A. J.V. Kripalini, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. B.R. Ambedkar, D. None of the above. Answer होची B. Jawaharlal Nehru. Question 12. Which one of the following is rightly described as the Magna Carta of local government in India? Option A. Mountbatten Plan 1947, B. Montagu's Declaration 1917, C. Rippon's Resolution 1882, D. CR Formula 1945. Answer of option C. Rippon's Resolution 1882. Question 13. In the individual satyagraha, Vinoba Bhave was chosen as the first satyagrahi. Who was the second? Option A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, C. C. Rajagopalachari, D. Vallabhbhai Patel. Answer of option A. Jawaharlal Nehru. Question 14. Which of the following two words were added in chronological order to the preamble through 42nd Amendment? Option A. Socialist and secular, B. Socialist and sovereign, C. Secular and socialist, D. Sovereign and secular. Answer of option A. Socialist and secular. Question 15. Under the Constitution of India, which one of the following is not a fundamental duty? Option A. To develop a scientific temper, B. To vote in public elections, C. To safeguard public property, D. To abide by the Constitution and respect its ideals. Answer of option B. To vote in public election is not a fundamental duty. Question 16. The right of education was added to fundamental rights in the Constitution of India through the option A. Constitution Act, Constitution जो 86th Amendment Act 2002, B. Constitution. Answer of option A. Constitution 86th Amendment Act 2002. Question 17. The enforcement of directive principles depends mostly upon option A. Public cooperation, B. The courts, C. Resources available to the government. Answer कौन होगा? Option C. Resources available to the governments. Question 18. Which of the following bills was discussed in the Lok Sabha but was withdrawn before it could be discussed in the Rajya Sabha? को bill ना option A. Benami Transaction Bill. Question 19. The Union Council of Ministers is collectively responsible to option A. President, B. Rajya Sabha, C. Prime Minister, D. House of the People. Answer of option D. House of the People. Question 20. The 42nd Constitution Amendment Bill was passed in the year option C होची राइट आंसर 1976. फ्रेंड्स जदि वीडियो पसंद आसे प्लीज़ लाइक करंतु सांग मन पाखु शेयर करंतु जो मैंने सब्सक्राइब करि नांदी सब्सक्राइब करिया सहित नोटिफिकेशन आइकन उपरे क्लिक करंतु. धन्यवाद.